What's going on, everyone? We got this 2022 Jeep Gladiator that just came out of the shop, and we're gonna go ahead and go over some of the accessories that we added on here. This is an off-road focused build with tons of built-in LEDs, and it's gonna really increase that capability of this vehicle. So starting off in the front end, we got this really rugged rough country bumper. It's gonna have built-in lighting, so you got your 2-inch round fog lights and your 20-inch LED bar. The focus of this bumper guard is gonna be the rough country winch, which has got 9,500 pound capability, and it's got a synthetic cable. It's gonna be really tough to break. And then we got those big burly tow hooks that are gonna make a great attachment point for whenever you need to hook stuff on there. And then when you direct your attention up here to the top of the hood, you'll notice this 30-inch big beefy LED light bar, along with these 2-inch LED ditch light cubes that can be adjusted, any direction you need to go. Gives you good visibility on the side of your vehicle, navigate any obstacles around you. Next thing that I want to show you here is going to be these sick off-road tires. They're the Dynapro XTs Hankook. They're going to be really rugged and provide a lot of traction. As you can see, they're pretty freaking hairy. And then right behind these bad boys is going to be our Mopar lift with box shocks. And then if we come down to the wheels themselves, we swap them out with some black rhino alloys. They provide a nice, really tough look on those tires that complements that rugged traction really well. And I'm gonna bring you down to the back end and just check out a couple more things. So the last little bit here, we got these really nice spray-in bed liner and a rough country tonneau cover. It's gonna be 3 sections. It's gonna fold down nice and easy and be super flat and seal up on your car. It's got these little flaps here that are gonna cover up any water that can get in there. Just acts as a little bit more of a seal. And then the last little bit of this car that we did in addition to is gonna be window tinting. It's not gonna help the off-road that much, but it's definitely gonna make driving the vehicle a lot more comfortable. It reduces those harsh sunny rays that beat down on you, your car's interior, and whatever you got lying in the back seat. It's been a beautiful day out. Thank you guys so much for watching. We really appreciate all of it. If you could like and subscribe to our channel, we can show you so much more custom vehicle content. So have a great day.